Now here we have an extremely rare special edition Defender 110 XS utility vehicle. It is the 110, it's a 2014 registration, 58,000 miles with lots of service history, but this is a special vehicle because it's the bowler edition. This particular car has had the stage 2 tuning, which includes the intercooler and the exhaust upgrade. It's fabulous. It's got receipts of nearly 19,000 pounds with it, of just all the additional extras, and you can see straight away from this video it is a one-off because it's absolutely stunning, and the way it's being kept condition wise. So I'm going to try and touch on a few things because there's so much to talk about, but aesthetically, just to look at, it's got all the factory extras and the checkered plates on the front, down the side, but then you have the bowler designation lettering on the bonnet, which costs money. You've got the upgraded front headlights, starting off with the LED daytime running lights and the LED headlights, followed by more LED front fog lights in the front bumper bar. You've then got the black housing or casing on the headlight casing there, as you can see, the Snorkel, but then you've got lots of great extras like the floodlights at the top. You then got the big steel bars roof rack at the top as well, and then this one has for me the special, very important, upgraded 18-inch bowler wheels wrapped in the BF Goodrich tyres, which again looks superb. All the arch kit front and rear is finished in gloss black, which is metallic black. You've then got the mud flap front and rear, the side bars, mirror cap covers finished in black as well. If you look at the bodywork itself, down the side, the bonnet, the bumpers, it is in such a good condition. Now, a lot of the features are what you'll see of Flatdog, which is a cracking, reputable brand, very robust, so I mean, you can really utilise all this depending on your driving pattern and what you're going to use the car for. Another big thing on this car is its VAT qualifying, so the price on the screen is including VAT, and that's a massive benefit. 58,000 miles, very well looked after. So I'm going to show you now, because the conversion didn't just stop with the intercooler and the exhaust, the full interior conversion. So if you look at some of the Defenders that are advertised as a bowler edition, all they've got really is some badges and some wheels. This one's been soundproofed under the bonnet, in the cab area, everywhere. So unlike your ordinary Defender on a 14 plate where it isn't nice, it's sometimes a bit loud and rattly, this one's not like that. But look at them seats, beautiful cover design, sport bucket seats with the diamond stitched leather there. Just nice and comfortable, and it's all good quality leather, including the leather centre armrest. But you'll see the upgraded, very stylish gear shifter just there. And you've got the upgraded steering wheel as well. Other features like the navigation, the media system, you've got heated seats, you've got USBs, I'll show you on the other side. But what a cracking product this is. Like I said, almost £18,000 worth of receipts, just on like the wheels, the racks, the rear step, and all sorts that have been added. Now, a lot of people stop at the front seat and don't bother with the rear seats, but you can see quite clearly the rear seats here have also been converted and rewrapped with the same quilted leather, with the white stitching, 3-point seat belt for all the passengers, and every single passenger gets a headrest as well. Now, you can just press one of these buttons here, this comes down, and this also flips up so you can get to the back, but I'll show you the space from the rear. Obviously all panelled out, but again, very important is the fact that it's got no damage on. It's just a very good, clean example. You've then got the fifth wheel carrier here as well, which is also a bowler wheel, the rear step ladders to get to the top. All the rear clusters are the clear lens ones, and then if I quickly show you in here, first of all, you've got the big Flatdog LED lights at the top, heavy duty tow bar, these rear steps again, very sturdy, and then nice little feature, you've got little red carpets, underneath you have the checker plate so it's easy to maintain, and it's got great space, as you can see very well. You're also going to get rubber mats as well here, which we're going to give to the new customer. This car then has the mobile storage system unit already in place. So again, it's lockable, so you can store some great gear in there. What if it might be your carry-on, and that locks away with a checker plate on the back too. Nets on each side there, more LED lights inside. For me, it's just a brilliant truck. The condition, it's the amount of money that's been spent, and if you're a Defender customer, you'll know if you were to convert this car yourself, it'd cost you £18,000 to £20,000 just for the little extras. But they're holding the value very well. They're a one-off, as long as it's been looked after, they're a brilliant truck. Because they've just got that look about them where they're awesome, really. So this is the competition upgraded steering wheel here, nice free spoke, your normal switches for the lights, indicators, window wipers. There's a new unit being fitted down there, USB for your charging. Your gear stick is very easy to use, but you've got reversing camera on this one, which obviously we all know isn't standard, but that's because the new unit has been put in. There's the heated seat options, air conditioning. You're sat nice and high up, lots of cubbyhole spaces everywhere, and then the switches down here for all the floodlights, spotlights, front and rear. This, guys, like I said, is the Bowler Edition, not to be missed. And to get one that's VAT qualifying as well, so it's VAT inclusive. In this condition, with 58,000 miles on, in the beautiful silver with the black sections and the LED lights front and rear, it's just been done perfectly, but looked after so well. It is a one-off car. I haven't had one for such a long time, and this one isn't going to hang around. Iconic vehicle with a very well-branded, recognised conversion. Stage 2 tuning by Bowler. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.